Why should boxes be litho printed or flexo printed? Hi, I'm Fred of littlepackaging.com, talking specifically about e-commerce packaging, because that's specifically what we manufacture here in Huntingdon in Cambridge. Now, lithographic printing is generally for photographic quality imagery. You'll see it on a lot of cereal cartons, food cartons, basically to give a photograph to explain what the product is that's inside. So if it's a gorgeous photographic image of a sticky toffee pudding or something like that that they want to showcase on the carton, on the packaging, then that traditionally needs to be done by lithographic print quality to achieve photographic effects. So here's some examples here. In fact, these penguins printed lithographic onto carton board for an e-commerce mailing envelope, and actually a book wrap, a little book wrap here, printed with a dream car in here, lithographic to make it really, albeit just in black only, but lithographic quality print to look stunning as an image there. And you guys will be familiar with these you know, cereal cartons, and even just general brochures and leaflets printed litho, like our very own. But these are examples of basically trying to achieve photographic imagery flexo quality. Now, albeit these are just one colour images, I hope they give you an understanding that actually photographic images can be achieved, but just not to the level of quality. So this is like a cartoon imagery here for this particular brand, and actually you'll just notice that it's quite grainy and pixelated, but still, you know, from a distance, the consumer actually would appreciate that graphic. My advice is basically don't film with flexographic printing that all you can stick to is, you know, simple block artwork, you know, text and line work. In fact, these two examples go a stage further. Even though it's printed purple, if you look inside this box, there's actually photographic artwork of avocados and I think there are almonds in there. And actually the quality inside here for flexographic printing is extremely good. So traditionally flexo has been thought of as extremely basic kind of typical pizza box manufacturing, that's the limit, but it's not true. Flexo is catching up with litho quality all the time, and to the extent that actually the tissue paper, the breeze tissue paper inside this Wittard example has actually been printed one colour flexo and achieves, actually if I show this up to the camera, an extremely good wallpaper effect design artwork. So very much worthwhile still considering flexo. Since this conversation is specifically, I'll leave that there, specifically about e-commerce packaging, personally I recommend flexo printing quality every time for e-commerce packaging, because lithographic to print onto corrugated means litho laminating. So you litho print a sheet of carton board which is only about 800 microns thick, so basically think cornflake box material. That then has to be laminated to corrugated. So you're talking about a jump of more than 40% in cost between something like this to these if you want to achieve litho print on corrugated boxes. So hopefully that's given you an insight. Please like, subscribe to our videos. We'd like to keep you in touch with the latest trends and terminology in packaging. Otherwise, mail happy.